Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to update your MacBook quick and easy. So first you have to go to setting right here on your Mac. Then when you open the setting page, let me open this, and you will go right here on about, and you will go on software update. Then when you click on software update, you will see all the updates available, and you want to update your computer, you will just have to click right here on check for update, and then it will tell you if your computer already update. Mine already update and the update already installed, and then I won't be able to update it twice. But if you don't, you will see a red number 1 right here at the setting, which means you need one update. Also, you can Google the latest Mac update, and then it will tell you is the latest update, and you can check comparing to the one that you have if it's the same way. So keep in mind it will be take a couple minutes to update, maybe 10 minutes, and yeah, this is how you update your Mac computer.